What happens next?
Another baby. Fish from playing for the third to last week.
Oh well, helps if we're all playing the same song. How do you know this?
When they change the set, don't tell me until it's almost too late.
He sold his studio. He's going to go for a coffee in the Upper Hebrides. I know.
When you were